Hey Flutes, welcome back. Today, our ensemble music review features our drumming section, and the song is called Those Dynamic Drummers. So grab your sheet music and your flute, and let's get started and review the sections to Those Dynamic Drummers. This piece has B flats, E flats, and A flats, and along the way, they may add a few A naturals or other notes. And the piece is moderato at a speed of 120 beats per minute. For today's video, we'll keep it just a tiny bit slower at 110 beats per minute. But when you practice it up to 120 with your metronome. Let's get started and play the first line of music. It starts with some rests and then a B flat scale of sorts that has A flat and A natural. Join me for the first line. 1, 2, beginning, and rest, 2, 3, play. 2, 3, 4, 1. And I did play into measure 6, just a tiny bit. Let's do all that again. Beginning, 1, 2, beginning with those rests, count. 1, 2, 3, play. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we'll start at measure 6, and we'll play all the way down to measure number 14. 1, 2, measure 6, eighth notes, here we go. Rest, rest. Great, let's play that segment one more time. 1, 2, measure 6, 2, 14, go. Rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 rest. Now at measure 14, we're going to play to measure 22. Be careful of E natural in measure 15. Remember, E natural is like F, and we add our second finger on our right hand for E natural. 1, 2, 14, 2, 3, 4, rest. Rest, 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 rest. And we see our note G flat again in that section, 2 measures before 22. G flat, fingers like G with 3 fingers, and then we add our third finger on our right hand to make G flat. Let's practice that in the context of the song by going back and playing 14 to 22 again. 1, 2, measure 14. Ready, set, go, rest. Rest, 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 rest. Well done up to there. Now at measure 22, we've got a dotted half note for 3 counts. The note following that is an E natural and an F sharp. F sharp is the exact same tone as G flat. It's another way of writing G flat, F sharp. Let's play from 22 to 30. And 1, 2, 22, 3 beats G. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that takes us into measure 30. We'll start at 30 and finish at 38. 1, 2, 1, 2, 30, play. Did you remember your G flat fingering again? Excellent. We're going to use it as F sharp in this next section. Boy, they're really trying to trick us with G flats and F sharps. If you know that they're the same fingering, you're going to be A-OK. 38 to 46. 1, 2, measure 38, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Where have we seen those 4 half notes before? I think we've seen them up right before measure 30. So if we learn them once, we can play them there too. Next section is number 46. Let's start 46 and let's play up to measure 54. I think you'll recognize this section from an earlier point in the song as well. 1, 2, 46, ready, begin. And we'll stop there because that's measure 54 and the last section of our song. 1, 2, last line. Ready, set, go. And that last note gets 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, and ends on beat 3. Wow, Those Dynamic Drummers is a great song, and I hope you enjoyed reviewing it with me. Now you've got 2 things left to do. 1, practice it so that you can play all the way through the song without stopping with your metronome set at 110 or 120. Then try playing along to the recording in our band Blackboard page. Check out those those band song recording links and enjoy playing those dynamic drummers along with your part. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.